You're watching the Seafood News Weekly video brought to you by Maine Lobster. Maine Lobster season is here, and although the traditional butter and lemon pairings are delicious, there are many ways to enjoy lobster. Grill it as a main course to accompany refreshing sides, top your favorite salad with fresh lobster meat, or add to your go-to mac and cheese recipe to take the classic to the next level. For more recipe inspiration, visit lobsterformaine.com. I'm seafood market reporter Lauren Castiglione.
And I'm News Assistant Ryan Doyle. In today's top story, China announced an increase of 10% in their retaliatory tariffs on some of the $75 billion worth of U.S. goods, starting September 1st, 2019, an increase of 5% starting on December 15th, 2019. President Trump responded by increasing the rate on $250 billion worth in U.S. imports of Chinese products from 25% to 30% effective October 1st. These products include the largest block of seafood products under increased tariffs, which includes fresh, chilled, and frozen fish, including bass, lobster, crab, shrimp, oysters, and the main custom codes for haddock, shrimp, tuna, tilapia, and red swimming crab.
Thanks, Ryan. In other news, Russia posted a significant increase in salmon catch this year, despite earlier forecasts of its inevitable decline after several years of record catch. According to the latest data, the volume of Pacific salmon catch in Russia since the beginning of 2019 has reached 420,000 tons, which is 46% higher compared to the figures for 2017. The landings are slightly lower than the initial forecasts made by analysts and experts of Russia's Federal Agency for Fisheries, which were forecast at 461,000 tons. The biggest growth of catch was registered in the Kamchatka Territory, a traditional center of salmon production in Russia.
Thanks, Lauren. Shrimp landings in the Gulf of Mexico have been some of the worst in recent history, according to the Fishery Monitoring Branch of the NMFS Southeast Fisheries Science Center and the Southern Shrimp Alliance. NMFS reported shrimp landings in the Gulf for July were only 7 million pounds, well below the 7.9 million pounds in July 2018 and the 8 million pounds in July 2017. The July commercial shrimp landings were 37.8% below the prior 17-year historic average of 11.3 million pounds. All told, Louisiana landings were 62.1% below its 17-year historic average, while landings in Mississippi marked the second lowest total reported for the month of July in the last 18 years.
And finally, the Association of Genuine Alaska Pollock Producers wants a science-based understanding of the total environmental impact over the lifespan of Alaska pollock. Last week, they selected a consultant to complete a comprehensive life cycle assessment of the wild Alaska pollock industry. Renowned sustainability consult Qantas will conduct an LCA over the next 7 months. Craig Morris, GAPP CEO, said this LCA will serve as the foundation for the industry's sustainability story, helping to provide the necessary proof points for wild Alaska pollock customers and consumers seeking greater detail on the fishery's sustainability indicators.
And that's the guacamole. Once again, this episode of the Seafood News Weekly Recap video was sponsored by Maine Lobster. Visit lobsterformaine.com to learn more.
And be sure to head over to seafoodnews.com or visit the Seafood tab in Comtel for a comprehensive look at the latest market and industry news. Thanks for watching.